Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Utilizing surveys and questionnaires in data collection. Utilizing surveys and questionnaires in data collection is an essential skill in mastering business analysis and successfully gathering requirements. Surveys and questionnaires serve as valuable tools to collect data, enabling business analysts to make informed decisions based on comprehensive and accurate information. When designed and implemented effectively, these instruments can provide deep insights into stakeholder needs, preferences, and behaviors, thereby shaping project requirements and outcomes. Surveys and questionnaires are structured tools for collecting quantitative and qualitative data from a target audience. They provide a systematic approach to gathering information that can be analyzed to identify trends, patterns, and insights. Surveys typically consist of a series of questions designed to gather measurable data, often using closed-ended questions with predefined response options. Questionnaires, on the other hand, may include both closed-ended and open-ended questions, allowing respondents to provide more detailed and nuanced answers. The design of surveys and questionnaires is a critical factor in their effectiveness. A well-designed survey or questionnaire should be clear, concise, and targeted to the specific information needs of the project. This involves defining the objectives of the data collection effort, identifying the target audience, and crafting questions that are relevant, unbiased, and easy to understand. The wording of questions is particularly important, as ambiguous or leading questions can introduce bias and distort the results. For example, a question like, "How satisfied are you with our excellent customer service?" assumes a positive perception and may lead respondents to provide favorable responses regardless of their true feelings. To enhance the reliability and validity of survey data, it is essential to employ robust sampling methods. Probability sampling techniques, such as simple random sampling, stratified sampling, and cluster sampling, ensure that the sample is representative of the population, thereby reducing sampling bias and increasing the generalizability of the findings. Non-probability sampling methods, such as convenience sampling and purposive sampling, may be used in certain situations where probability sampling is not feasible, but they carry a higher risk of bias and should be interpreted with caution. Administering surveys and questionnaires can be done through various modes, including online surveys, paper-based questionnaires, telephone interviews, and face-to-face interviews. Each mode has its advantages and limitations. Online surveys are cost-effective, can reach a large audience quickly, and allow for easy data analysis, but they may suffer from low response rates and lack of internet access for some respondents. Paper-based questionnaires can be useful in settings where internet access is limited, but they are more time-consuming and expensive to administer and process. Telephone and face-to-face interviews can provide richer data and higher response rates, but they require more resources and may introduce interviewer bias. The analysis of survey and questionnaire data involves several steps, including data cleaning, data coding, and statistical analysis. Data cleaning involves checking for and addressing any errors or inconsistencies in the data, such as missing values or duplicate responses. Data coding involves assigning numerical values to categorical responses, which facilitate statistical analysis. Statistical analysis techniques, such as descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, and multivariate analysis, are used to summarize the data, test hypotheses, and identify relationships between variables. For example, descriptive statistics, such as mean, median, and standard deviation, provide a summary of the central tendency and dispersion of the data, while inferential statistics, such as t-tests and chi-square tests, allow for comparisons between groups and testing of relationships. The interpretation of survey and questionnaire results requires careful consideration of the context and limitations of the data. It is important to consider the response rate, sampling method, and potential sources of bias when interpreting the results. For example, a low response rate may indicate non-response bias, where the views of non-respondents differ from those of respondents, potentially skewing the results. Similarly, if the sample is not representative of the population, the findings may not be generalizable. To illustrate the practical application of surveys and questionnaires in business analysis, consider a case study of a retail company seeking to improve customer satisfaction. The company conducted an online survey to gather feedback from customers on their shopping experience. The survey included questions on various aspects of the shopping experience, such as product availability, store layout, staff helpfulness, and checkout process. The survey used a Likert scale to measure customer satisfaction, with response options ranging from very satisfied to very dissatisfied. The survey also included open-ended questions to allow customers to provide additional comments and suggestions. The results of the survey revealed that customers were generally satisfied with the product availability and store layout, but expressed dissatisfaction with the checkout process and staff helpfulness. The open-ended responses provided further insights into specific issues, such as long wait times at the checkout and unhelpful staff. Based on these findings, the company implemented several changes, including adding more checkout lanes, providing additional staff training, and introducing self-checkout kiosks. A follow-up survey conducted 6 months later showed significant improvements in customer satisfaction, demonstrating the effectiveness of the changes. In conclusion, utilizing surveys and questionnaires in data collection is a powerful approach to gathering requirements in business analysis. The success of these tools depends on careful design, robust sampling methods, effective administration, and rigorous data analysis. By following best practices and addressing potential limitations, business analysts can obtain valuable insights that inform decision-making and drive project success. The integration of relevant statistics and real-world examples, as demonstrated in the case study, underscores the practical value of surveys and questionnaires in achieving business objectives. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.